हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मेरा नाम निकी है और आप लोग देख रहे हैं इंटीरियर अवतार। With festivals around the corner, I am creating a Festival 2020 series for you guys, which will comprise of episodes related to festival decor. Today is the first episode of this series and I have dedicated it to DIYs. आज के वीडियो में मैं आप लोग के साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ कुछ सिंपल DIYs to give that quirk to your festive decor. So without a further ado, let's jump into the video. For this DIY, you would need some bangles. You can choose any color as per your preference. I have chosen these red ones. You will also need a glue gun. Now with the help of glue gun, just stack up the bangles. So our bangle candle holder is ready. Now take a tea light candle, light it up and place the holder from above. For this tea light or diya stand, you would need some glasses, preferably wine glasses, some flowers, and I have these candles in shape of diyas from my previous Diwali, so I am using it here. Now place the flowers just inside the glass. Now place the diya or the tea light candle, whatever you have, just inside the glass. Thana simple. I will show you one more method to place your diyas or candles on top of these stands. Take the glass and flip it upside down. Place a flower at the bottom and diya on the top. For this next DIY, you will require some votive candle holders, kuch popsicle sticks. I have used the colorful ones, but you can use the plain ones and paint it with the color of your choice. Some glitters and a glue gun. Now take 4 popsicle sticks of same color and stick them together in a tic-tac-toe fashion. Now follow the same process for your other popsicle sticks. Here are your beautiful, colorful, votive candle coasters ready within minutes. Now take the votive holder and just place it on top of the coaster. Take some glitter of the same color as the coaster and pour it inside the votive. This will give an attractive look to the plain votive holders. Now place a tea light candle inside it. And it's done. Simple yet elegant. You can place them on top of a table and it will instantly add a pop of color and charm to your festive decor. For this last DIY, which are jar lanterns, you would require some glass jars, some glitter, this is a butterfly which I had purchased online and I am going to use it as a decorative piece, a brush, some Fevicol or glue, and a jute twine. Take some glue with the help of the brush and start applying it to the bottom half of the glass jar. Now take the glitter and sprinkle it over the glued portion of the jar. Take the jute twine and tie it at the neck of the jar. And last, take the butterfly and stick it to the center of the jar with the help of glue gun. Your jar lanterns are ready to give that quirk and beauty to your festive decor. You can also use them as hanging lanterns. They will just look as pretty and beautiful wherever they are hung. I enjoyed creating these beautiful DIYs and extremely glad to share it with you guys. So I hope आप लोग को आज का ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा, and if you did, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you do not miss it. Stay tuned to Interior Avatar because I'm going to come up with more such videos for this festival season 2020. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, stay creative and stay blessed. Bye bye.